Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable two-factor authentication on PrimeXBT. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for PrimeXBT. Then we're going to log in by clicking on the login button on the top right corner. So next we're going to click on our profile icon on the top right corner, then on settings, then next on security. Then as you can see, there is enable two-factor authentication. We're going to click on it. So we have three methods. So first we're going to download the Authenticator app, then we can scan the QR code there. Then next we're going to click on continue and write the code from the Google Authenticator app. So once we write it, we have enabled the two-factor authentication. So this is how we do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.